The GAC GS3 is 4,350mm long, 1,825mm wide, and 1,680mm tall, with a 2,560mm long wheelbase, while the Kia Stonic is 4,100mm long, 1,735mm wide, 1,533mm tall, with a 2,570mm wheelbase. The GAC GS3 1.5 Premier AT features a distinctive grille with a large GAC logo, eagle-eye halogen headlamps, rear LED combination lights that outline an infinity symbol, floating roof design, and shark fin antenna. The top-of-the-line GS3 comes with LED daytime running lights, front fog lamps, and 18-inch rim strap by 5.5 series tires, power-adjustable and folding side mirrors with defogging and defrosting functions. The Stonic EX features projector-type halogen headlamps, LED daylight running lights, side mirrors with integrated turn lights, black and silver radiator grille, and chrome beltline molding and door handles, and a panoramic sunroof. It also comes with rear window defoggers, rear spoiler with high-mount stop lamp, front and rear skid plates, roof rails and pin-type antenna, and 16-inch alloy wheels strapped by 195/60 R16 tires. The GAC GS3 1.5 Premier comes with smart keyless entry and one-button start. The cabin features dark and elegant interior motif with soft touch surfaces, leather and leatherette trim seats, 6-way adjustable driver's seat and 4-way adjustable front passenger seat, multifunction leatherette wrapped steering wheel with electric power steering and folding center armrest with cup holders on the second row seat. Comfort and convenience features include front power windows, automatic air conditioning with negative ion air filter and second row vents, sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors, and 12-volt power outlet in the cargo area. The Kia Stonic EX is also equipped with smart keyless entry and illuminated push start button. The interior features cloth-covered seats for 5, a black dash with silver accents, and an instrument panel with analog speedometer and tachometer, and a 3.5-inch TFT LCD multifunction display. The driver's seat slides, reclines, and adjusts for height manually. Other interior features include a tiltable 3-spoke polyurethane steering wheel with controls for audio and Bluetooth, automatic air conditioning, power windows and door locks, power outlet, glove box, 2 cup holders on front console, and bottle holders on 4 doors. The GS3 1.5 Premier features an 8-inch TFT color screen display for the infotainment, Bluetooth hands-free phone system, rear row USB port, and 6 speakers. The infotainment system in the Stonic 1.4 EX features an 8-inch touchscreen, AM/FM radio, MP3 player, Bluetooth for hands-free mobile phone use, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and 4 speakers plus 2 tweeters. The 1.5 GS Premier is powered by a 1,495cc gasoline engine that generates 113 horsepower and 115 Nm of torque, made into an Aisin 6-speed automatic transmission that sends power to the front wheels. It also comes with an eco-drive mode to help save fuel. The GS3 also comes standard with front McPherson-type independent suspension, twisting beam suspension in the rear, and all-wheel disc brakes, ventilated in front and solid in the rear. The Stonic is powered by a 1.4-liter inline-4 DOHC and DC VVT that generates a maximum 100 PS at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 132 Nm of torque at 4,000 RPM, and is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission driving the front wheels. The suspension system features front McPherson struts and coupled torsion beam axle in the rear. The EX comes with all-wheel disc brake system. GAC equipped the GS3 1.5 Premier with passive and active safety features that include electronic stability program, anti-lock brake system with electronic brake force distribution, traction control system, hydraulic brake assist, hill start hold control, and hill descent control. It also comes with dual front airbags, front side airbags, front row seat belts with pre-tensioners and force limiters, ISOFIX child safety seat anchors, second row child safety door lock, impact sensing door unlock. The Stonic EX comes with driver assistance safety technologies that include electronic stability control and hill start assist, anti-lock brake system, 4 3-point ELR seatbelts with pre-tensioner, 2-point seatbelt for one, ISOFIX child anchors and child lock.